What if I told you that aging gracefully isn't about expensive treatments or genetics? It's about unlocking the secrets that empower you to live your most vibrant life at any age. Today, we're diving deep into 7 of these secrets that doctors often don't have time to tell you. We'll meet incredible people like Jane, a woman who, at 70, radiates more energy and joy than ever before. Jane's story is a testament to the power of these secrets, how they can transform your health, your outlook, your very essence. So get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools to enhance your vitality, boost your happiness, and truly embrace aging with confidence. Let's get started, shall we? Our first secret might surprise you. It's all about mindset. You see, aging gracefully starts in the mind, with how we view ourselves and the world around us. When we embrace a growth mindset, we open ourselves to endless possibilities, no matter our age. Studies have shown that a positive outlook on aging can actually increase lifespan and boost recovery from illnesses. Think about that for a moment. Your thoughts, your beliefs, they have a direct impact on your physical well-being. That's powerful stuff. One way to cultivate this positivity is through gratitude journaling. Each day, take a few moments to write down things you're grateful for. It could be the warmth of the sun, a phone call with a loved one, or simply the ability to breathe deeply. Gratitude shifts our focus from what's lacking to what's abundant in our lives. Remember, aging is not a decline, it's an evolution. And with a growth mindset, we can embrace this evolution with open arms, ready to learn, grow, and experience life to the fullest. Now, a growth mindset isn't just about thinking positive thoughts, it's about action. It's about setting new goals, exploring new passions, and never letting the flame of curiosity dim. Remember, it's never too late to chase a dream or explore a hidden talent. Think about it. What's something you've always wanted to do but thought, oh, it's too late for me now? Maybe it's learning a new language, taking up painting, or finally writing that novel you've always dreamed of. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not too late. I know a gentleman named George who, at 75 years young, decided to take up painting. He had no prior experience, but he had a passion, a desire to create. Today, George's paintings are displayed in local galleries, and he says he's never felt more alive. See, when we challenge ourselves, when we step outside of our comfort zones, we tap into a wellspring of vitality that can truly defy age. So I urge you, my friends, to ignite that inner fire. Learning doesn't stop when we graduate or retire. Lifelong learning keeps our minds sharp and spirits high. Take a course, join a book club, or attend workshops. Stay curious and keep expanding your horizons. Learning can be fun and enriching. Think about activities that bring you joy. Maybe it's learning a new skill or exploring new places. Every day is an opportunity for growth. Embrace the beauty of lifelong learning. Keep your mind active and your heart open. Now let's talk about food. We all know the saying, you are what you eat, and honey, let me tell you, it's the truth. The foods we choose to nourish our bodies can either accelerate aging or become our fountain of youth. And the best part? You don't need fancy supplements or expensive diets. Mother Nature has already provided us with an abundance of delicious anti-aging foods that can transform our health from the inside out. Think vibrant berries bursting with antioxidants, fighting off those pesky free radicals that contribute to aging. Leafy greens, packed with vitamins and minerals, keeping our bones strong and our energy levels high. And don't forget about those healthy fats found in fatty fish, nuts, and seeds. They nourish our brains, our hearts, and keep our skin glowing. These are just a few of the many anti-aging superstars that should be staples in your diet. Now, just like there are foods that support our health and vitality, there are also those that can sabotage our efforts. And while I believe in enjoying all foods in moderation, it's important to be mindful of those that can accelerate aging. Processed sugars, my friends, they're the enemy. They wreak havoc on our bodies, spiking our blood sugar, contributing to inflammation, and even accelerating wrinkles. And those trans fats lurking in processed foods, they're no good either. These unhealthy fats can increase bad cholesterol, clog our arteries, and leave us feeling sluggish and heavy. And while a glass of wine now and then can be enjoyable, excessive alcohol consumption can dehydrate our skin, disrupt sleep, and even damage our cells. Remember, knowledge is power. By being aware of the foods that don't serve us, we can make conscious choices to limit our intake and prioritize those that nourish our bodies from the inside out. Now, I know what you're thinking, Oprah, this all sounds great, but I'm not a chef. I need something simple, something delicious, something I can easily incorporate into my daily routine. Well, you're in luck. One of my favorite ways to start the day is with a vibrant, antioxidant-rich berry smoothie. It's packed with nutrients, takes just minutes to make, and will give you a burst of energy to power through your morning. Simply toss a handful of your favorite berries, I love blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, into a blender. Add a scoop of plant-based protein powder, a dollop of almond butter for healthy fats, and a splash of almond milk or water. Blend it all up and voila! You have a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack that will have you glowing from within. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. With a little creativity and a focus on whole, unprocessed foods, you can nourish your body and support your journey to aging gracefully. You know, for years, people have searched for the fountain of youth, but the truth is, the closest thing we have to a fountain of youth is already within us. It's the power of movement, the incredible way our bodies thrive on activity. It's about finding joy in movement, feeling your body come alive, because when we move, we keep our spirits young too. Now, I know what you might be thinking, Oprah, I'm not a spring chicken anymore. Easy for you to say. But that's the beauty of it. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. Walking is a wonderful place to start. It's gentle on the joints, it's accessible to almost everyone, and even a short walk every day can make a world of difference. And as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the distance or the pace. If you're looking for something to soothe the mind and body, explore the gentle flow of yoga or Tai Chi. These practices are like a beautiful dance between movement and stillness, strengthening your body while bringing a sense of peace and calm. And if you want to add a little pep in your step, put on some music and dance. It doesn't matter if you think you have two left feet, just move to the rhythm, let loose, and feel the joy that comes from expressing yourself through dance. I remember this one woman I met on the show. She was 70 years young and had just started taking ballroom dancing lessons. She told me she had never felt so alive. The music, the movement, the social connection, it had completely transformed her life. She had more energy, her balance had improved, and she was making new friends every week. But most importantly, she had rediscovered a sense of joy and playfulness that she thought was long gone. And that's what it's all about, my friends. It's not about trying to turn back the clock. It's about embracing the age you are and finding ways to move your body that bring you joy. So I encourage you to try something new, step outside of your comfort zone, and see what brings you alive. You might be surprised at what you discover. We live in a society that glorifies busyness, where sleep is often seen as a luxury rather than a necessity. But let me tell you, my friends, sleep is not a luxury, it's an essential ingredient for aging gracefully. It's like hitting the reset button on our bodies and minds, allowing us to wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Think of it this way. Just as we wouldn't expect a house to stand strong without a solid foundation, we can't expect our bodies to function optimally without proper rest. During sleep, our bodies and minds are hard at work repairing and rejuvenating, consolidating memories and building up our defenses. It's during those precious hours of sleep that our bodies produce growth hormone, which is essential for cell regeneration and repair. This hormone helps to keep our skin looking youthful, our bones strong, and our muscles toned. So, if you want to age gracefully, it's time to start prioritizing sleep and giving your body the rest it deserves. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. Now, I know that getting a good night's sleep isn't always easy. Life can be hectic, stress can keep us up at night, and sometimes our minds just won't shut off. But there are things we can do to create an environment that promotes restful sleep. One of the simplest yet most effective things you can do is establish a bedtime routine. Just as we have routines for our mornings, creating a calming ritual before bed can signal to our bodies that it's time to wind down. This could include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to soothing music. Another important tip is to limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from our phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with our sleep-wake cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Instead of scrolling through social media, try dimming the lights, putting away your devices, and engaging in relaxing activities like gentle stretching, journaling, or meditation. Now, I know some of you are thinking, Oprah, if only it were that easy. And you're right, sometimes sleep can feel elusive. You might find yourself tossing and turning, your mind racing with worries big and small. If you find yourself struggling with insomnia, know that you're not alone. Millions of people experience sleep difficulties, and there are things you can do to address them. Start by exploring relaxation techniques like deep breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, or guided imagery. If you've tried making changes to your sleep habits and you're still struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. They can help rule out any underlying medical conditions and recommend personalized strategies to improve your sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is not selfish, it's an act of self-care. When we get enough rest, we have more energy, we're more resilient to stress, and we simply feel better overall. We are wired for connection, my friends. It's in our DNA to crave belonging, to share laughter and tears, to know that we are seen and heard and loved for who we are. And as we age, these connections become even more precious, more vital to our well-being. Studies have shown time and time again that strong social ties have a profound impact on our health and longevity. People with meaningful relationships tend to live longer, have stronger immune systems, and recover faster from illness. But it's not just about physical health. Social connections are the lifeblood of our emotional and mental well-being. They provide us with a sense of purpose, belonging, and support, especially during challenging times. Think about it. When you're going through a difficult experience, who do you turn to? Now, I know that as we get older, our lives can change. We might retire from our careers, our children may have moved away, and we might find ourselves with more time on our hands. But this also presents an incredible opportunity to cultivate new connections and deepen existing ones. Think about your interests and passions. What brings you joy? What are you curious about? These are all doorways to connect with like-minded people. Join a book club, take a cooking class, volunteer for a cause you care about, or join a dance class. And don't underestimate the power of technology to keep you connected with loved ones near and far. Video calls, social media, and even good old-fashioned phone calls can bridge distances and keep those bonds strong. Remember, it's never too late to build new friendships and strengthen existing ones. I'm reminded of a story I heard about two women who met at a local community garden in their late 70s. They came from different backgrounds, had different life experiences, yet they found common ground in their love of nature and their shared passion for growing things. They started by exchanging gardening tips, then began sharing stories over cups of tea, and soon a beautiful friendship blossomed. They supported each other through life's ups and downs, celebrated each other's triumphs, and found solace in each other's company. This story is a testament to the fact that it's never too late to form deep and meaningful connections. So, open your heart, step outside your comfort zone, and embrace the power of human connection. You never know what beautiful friendships await. Taking care of our bodies is crucial, but what about our minds? Our brains need exercise too, thriving on stimulation. Keeping your mind sharp helps you age gracefully. A curious mind is a youthful mind. Engage with the world, eager to learn. Find activities that light you up. Make it a part of your daily routine. Now, some of you might be thinking, Oprah, I'm not a kid anymore. It's too late for me to learn new things. But let me tell you, that is just not true. It is never too late to embrace the joy of learning. Our brains are wired for it. Studies show engaging in mentally stimulating activities improves memory and cognitive function. So don't be afraid to step outside of your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to try something new. Sign up for that cooking class you've been eyeing, or dust off that old guitar in the attic. The possibilities are endless. And you know what the best part is? Learning keeps us connected. It allows us to engage with others who share our interests and passions. It opens up new worlds and perspectives. And that, my friends, is what makes life rich and fulfilling at any age. So I want you to make a promise to yourself. Promise me you'll never stop learning, never stop growing, and never stop challenging your mind. I know what you're thinking, Oprah, I'm busy. I don't have time for all this extra stuff. But here's the thing. It doesn't have to be a huge time commitment. Even just 15 minutes a day dedicated to mental stimulation can make a world of difference. Think about it. 15 minutes. That's all it takes to flex those mental muscles and keep your mind sharp. You can read a few chapters of a book, work on a puzzle, or even just have a stimulating conversation with a friend. The key is to make it a habit. Set aside a specific time each day and stick to it. I promise you, your brain will thank you for it. So who's with me? Who's ready to commit to 15 minutes a day for a sharper, more vibrant mind? I know you can do it. And I can't wait to hear about all the amazing things you learn and experience along the way. We've talked about nourishing our bodies and stimulating our minds. Managing stress is crucial for aging gracefully. Stress robs us of joy, energy, and health. Chronic stress accelerates aging and weakens our immune systems. Mindfulness helps manage stress by focusing on the present moment. It's a practice we can strengthen over time. Now, I know what you're thinking, Oprah. I can barely sit still for 5 minutes, let alone meditate for an hour. And that's okay. Mindfulness doesn't have to be complicated. It can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths and bringing your attention to the present moment. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, the feeling of the air entering and leaving your body. Just observe your thoughts without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Even just a few minutes of conscious breathing can have a profound impact on our stress levels. It calms our nervous systems, reduces anxiety, and helps us to feel more centered and grounded. Breathing exercises are just one way to practice mindfulness. Techniques include mindful walking, gratitude practices, yoga, and Tai Chi. Find what resonates with you and brings inner peace. Maybe it's walking in nature or reflecting on gratitude. Pause, breathe, and check in with yourself. Mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Find what works for you and make it a daily routine. Prioritize mental well-being and embrace mindfulness. It's the foundation of aging gracefully. So there you have it, my friends. 7 secrets to aging gracefully. Secrets that go beyond the surface and tap into the very essence of living a vibrant, fulfilling life. We talked about embracing a growth mindset, nourishing our bodies with anti-aging foods, and staying active in ways that bring us joy. We explored the importance of sleep, the power of social connections, and the magic of keeping our minds sharp. And we learned how to manage stress and cultivate mindfulness to find that inner peace that radiates outward. Aging gracefully is within your control. By embracing these secrets, you're not just adding years to your life, you're adding life to your years. Now, I want to hear from you. Which secret resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who want to age gracefully. Remember, age is just a number. The power to live a vibrant, fulfilling life at any age lies within each and every one of us.